Come here, bruh. I'll not let you go till you don't come here. Got it? Come here. Oh my gosh. I don't let you go till you come here. I'm just going to put this here. Okay, now I will give. Now, next step is, guys, you need to take a pen and show him to give it in your hand. Like this. Put it in my hand. Put it in my. No, see, you need to put it in my hand. Got it? Take the pen. No, wrong. You need to put it in my hand. Put it in my hand. Hand. Brother, hand. Oh my gosh. Just leave him that trick because it's for like ringing parrots. It's not for him. So next is you need to take any toy. I have this ice cream, but it should be circle. So then you need to show him this is an ice cream. And then you need to keep the ice cream upside down, and when he will tell him to pick it up. Pick it up. Oh, sorry, I didn't put it upside down. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Bro, pick it up, bro, pick it up. Pick it up, pick it up. See, you need to pick it up. Got it? Good boy. Guys, reverse the video and see. He picked it up. Now I'm gonna give him a jumbo biscuit. Now I'm gonna give him a little bit. He's eating in the ice cream. We put the whole biscuit in the ice cream. Great, that is a training also. Eat. Hurry up, eat. Hurry up, eat. Guys, see him. He is eating. Like, let him eat, then come. Are you done eating? Yep. No. There's more in the ice cream. So we're gonna get the ice cream just for 1 minute. So guys, here you see. The second step, you need to take a doll's plate, and you just need to heap the food in the plate. Okay, like this, how I did. And then you. Wait a second, I need to put more because it's very little. This much will be great. Then you need to tell him to eat from this. Me too, see. Eat from this. Eat from this. Eat from this. Go eat. Eat. Good boy. Now he is enjoying the treats also. And even he is eating. Let him eat, guys. He's a very slow motion. See. Hi. What do you have got there? Huh? What do you have got there? What you got there? Nope, nothing. Huh? Nothing. Why are you not eating the biscuit? Why are you not eating the biscuit? Biscuit. Why are you not eating the biscuit? Can I take the biscuit? Eat the biscuit. Yummy, yummy. Stop making those noises. I'm just joking. I'm making that noises. So guys, this is for today. Like, subscribe, share, and if you like to eat, so please comment that yes, I like to eat, and write your favorite food like my parrot. He is eating a lot of. Okay, enough. The video is ending. Say bye.